I'm in the gym right now. No one's here. And I braided my hair. I just got done with cardio. Also, sorry if you can hear the radio in the background. But I'm going to stretch and then I'm going to head home and make myself some coffee. It is like 85 degrees and it's only 7:30 in the morning. I don't sweat very much. I'm sweating a lot right now. It is so humid. Wisconsin is just crazy with humidity. So, anyways, I love when the gym is empty. Makes me so happy. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'll see you in a bit. Hi. Ooh, my hair is a mess. Okay, I just got home from the gym. I'm going to make some granola and some coffee. So I was just getting all my stuff together. I have not made granola in probably over a year, and I don't really remember any recipes, and I don't feel like following any, so I'm just gonna play around and see what happens. Got a bowl. I'm gonna make like a biggish batch, but I don't think I'm gonna need more than like a bowl to mix it in. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of oats, which I think is like 160 grams. Okay, 160. And then I'm going to do some cocoa powder. This is just like generic baking cocoa. Sorry, I swear to God, every single time I do videos, you can't see my face, but I'm trying. Okay, so I'm doing 16 grams cocoa powder. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna take 20 grams of this PB2 powder. Okay, mix this all together. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of cinnamon. I know that's a lot of cinnamon, but I love cinnamon, so. Okay, gonna mix that all in. Oh shoot, I'm gonna preheat my oven. I think I'm gonna preheat it to 400. Okay, then I'm just gonna take some syrup and I'm just gonna do a bunch of that. Also, I didn't have old-fashioned oats because I use quick oats for my oatmeal. I just like the texture better. So this is being made with quick oats. So we'll see. I used to make it with old-fashioned oats. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna put this on a baking sheet, and once that preheats, that's good. Oh, okay. Once that preheats, I'm gonna put it in there. I'm probably gonna put it for like 10-15 minutes to start, and then I'm hoping it'll only take about like 20 minutes, but we'll see. And I will get back to you when I'm done. Hi, so I made my coffee. It actually was like up to here, but I've been drinking it while I made my smoothie. I made a smoothie bowl, but I have to wait for the granola to cool down. So the smoothie bowl I put in the freezer because I probably should have waited a little bit longer before I made that. My hair is a mess, but I'm going to get my bangs trimmed today so that they're not like covering my eyes anymore. And then I'll actually have bangs again. My hair just kind of grows fast, which I'm not complaining about. I'm very thankful that I have healthy hair even after bleaching it. Also, I forgot to mention, and you'll see this when I show you my granola on my smoothie bowl, but I forgot to add chocolate chips. So I measured it out just so I could tell you. I did 25 grams of chocolate chips in the recipe, and I'm gonna guesstimate that this makes about somewhere between 4 and 6 servings, depending on how big of a serving you like to have for your granola. Yeah, it's cooling right now. I set a timer to let it cool for 10 minutes because I have no patience, and if I didn't set a timer, I would think, oh, it's been 10 minutes when it's really only been 30 seconds. But yeah, so it has about 5 minutes left for it to cool, and then I will show it to you with my smoothie bowl. Okay, I'm going to try. I added some flax and chia seeds on top too. It just bit into a chocolate chip. Oh, that's really good. And the granola actually made really, really good clusters, so I'm very happy. on a walk right now. It is so hot and so humid. Holy crap. I'm just like, I feel like I'm swimming through like hot air. It's gross. I'm gonna take a shower and shave when I get back to my house. I'm almost to my house. So, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. I also think I'm gonna either have like a Gatorade or like water with like lemon and salt and stuff in it, because this heat, I need some type of electrolytes, because I'm starting to get, I already deal with migraines and I can feel like the heat making my migraines worse. So I'm gonna do that and I will get back to you when I have lunch. Okay, my hair's still looking a little crazy, but I'm trying not to really do much with it because I'm going to get it done this afternoon. I'm just getting my bangs trimmed. I think I said that earlier. Lunch is my dad brought home a loaf of like, some guy made this walnut cranberry bread and he brought it home, so that's the bread. And then I have avocado and Greek yogurt on there with some nutritional yeast, and then I have an egg and some egg whites and spinach and then tomato. And I know it probably sounds kind of weird to have cranberry walnut with like avocado, but I think it's gonna taste really good. It's good. The sweetness is nice. There's like a little piece of cranberry right there. It's really good. I just want to show you guys my outfit really quick. I took my hair out of those braids. I didn't really think it was gonna get this dented that fast, but my hair's kind of a mess. Anyways, I just have on some sweat shorts and then this, like, it's technically a bra, I think, but I wear it as a shirt kind of thing. I just threw a sweatshirt on because it's kind of cold in my house compared to how hot it is outside. So when I came in here, I was like, I'm cold. I like how the colors are all kind of neutral, but they're all different. Okay, so I just got my hair cut. It looks kind of weird right now because we literally just, like, we didn't wash my hair or anything, so like the rest of my hair is like normal, but she's straight in the front so we could see the length. And then I went and I picked up a coffee. And in case you're wondering, my normal order is a decaf Americano, and then I get a splash of some type of alternative milk, normally almond or oat. Sometimes I'll get soy. Soy is normally if they don't have almond or oat. Yeah, I don't know, my bangs kind of look weird right now because like this is like frizzy and stuff and this is like so perfectly straight, but it's nice because I can actually see, and I actually have bangs now without them getting my eyes, which makes me very happy. Oh, and then also I normally add a splash of like sugar-free caramel or vanilla in my drink. If they have, I like that Dunkin' has a blueberry. I know it sounds kind of weird, but blueberry coffee is low-key really good. So I like doing that. This place that I like to go to, it's like a local coffee shop place in one of the towns near my hometown. They have so many flavor options for normal syrups or sugar-free. I don't think I've ever seen a place with so many options for that, and it's really good. So also, I just realized I'm outside of the diner that I was trying to get my group to be able to go to for prom, and they don't have any room, so that makes me sad, but it's fine. Why am I like this? Okay, I'm gonna get going. I gotta get home. When I get home, I'm probably gonna have a snack, maybe go for another walk because I still have a lot of steps I need to get in. See ya. Just got home and I made myself some Weetabix. So I'm gonna have that while I watch some Netflix. I think I'm gonna watch a show I've been watching. I took a break from watching literally anything on Netflix. I probably haven't watched Netflix in like a month. Probably not a month, probably in like 2 or 3 weeks. So it's called Elite. It's a Spanish, I don't know if you call it like a Spanish drama, but it's in Spanish. And I just realized I haven't watched it in a while, so I thought I would watch it. And then after that, I'm going to probably go for a short walk. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Hi.
I kind of forgot I was recording a video, and I had dance from 4 till 9:30, so it's always hard for me to be able to record at that time. So I'm whispering because my parents are in the living room, and I don't want to be super loud. I know I look like an egg right now. I sleep with a silk hair cap to protect my hair, especially since it's bleached. I want to take care of it as best as I can. Anyways, I just wanted to wrap this video up here. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know how your week is. I wish people would comment on my videos. Kidding. If you want to comment, please comment. Tell me anything. And subscribe if you would like to see more of my face. And follow me on Instagram. I post every day. I don't want to jinx it, but consistently, I have been posting consistently every day for a decent amount of time now, and it's fun. I just like giving inspiration for like health, like wellness, mental health, fitness. I'm trying to stay light on the fitness stuff right now because obviously I'm not like a certified personal trainer or anything like that yet. I'm hoping that I'll do that sometime. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.